Okay, we are live. Hello everybody. This is Genesis Gurr here with another live stream, and today I'm going to be talking about all the extensions that I use inside of Visual Studio Code. This stream is going to be pretty short. It's going to be to the point. We're not going to be coding anything this stream, but we're mostly going to be just going through some of the extensions that I personally use as of 2023, right? So let me just change the title of this because it is now the 13th. Update all. There we go. Yeah, so we're just going to go through all of the extensions that I currently use in 2023. If you guys don't know who I am, I made a live stream before this explaining that I am a self-taught software developer, and I do a lot of coding on stream and live streams and stuff like that, and just explaining my process on how I code. So with that said, give me a moment before we jump into this. I'm probably gonna do this. Hide OBS so it doesn't get in the way. There we go. All right, so let's get into this. Yeah, extensions that I use. We're gonna start all the way from the top. Now, some of these extensions are very useful. Some of these extensions are just themes. So in Visual Studio Code, there are extensions, they're plugins that add extra features to your file editor or your IDE, whatever you want to call it, your interactive development environment. That's what IDE stands for. And yeah, I got these two new apps now. I got this app, so I'm not using Chatty anymore as of today. I use Restream now. And yeah, Restream is the shit, by the way. You can stream to like multiple sites, but that's beside the point. So if you guys don't have Visual Studio Code installed, this isn't really for you. This is for my Visual Studio Code people. And yeah, I'm about to plug you up with some sauce real quick, and yeah, maybe it'll help you out. With that said, yeah, let's begin. So the first plugins that I use, I have 0 recommended, right? We're not going to pay attention to this. In my installed, we're going to go through. I'm going to go find plugins that I find or I deem really important and that has helped my workflow, and then we're just going to go with everything else. So see if I can find it. So the first one on my list is Audio Preview. This plugin right here is actually very good. It allows you to actually view the wave samples, the waveform, and all the metadata of an actual audio file within Visual Studio Code. And this is great because this allows you to have more control over what's going on and what you're going to be adding to your program, you know. And yeah, Audio Preview is a plus. So it allows you to preview audio files inside of Visual Studio Code without having to open them on your computer. It's a huge time saver. So I'm going to copy the ID, the extension ID, and I'm going to type it in here. So how this works, you just copy what I'm about to put in chat, and you go to search extensions in Marketplace in Visual Studio Code, and you should be able to find this. It will directly bring you here. So that's the first one. And yeah, we're going to go on to the next one. The next one on my list would have to be Rainbow Indent. I use Rainbow Indent a lot. It's one of my favorite plugins to use. It helps determine how far, if you're indenting correctly within Python or whatever programming language you use. And it determines this with rainbow colors. So this is a real good plugin just to, you know, have. Trust me, this indent rainbow just makes indentation easier to read. That's all it does. If you don't want to have that, you don't have to have it, but it's like a guideline. And sometimes you might, if you did indent something incorrectly, without this, there's really no way. You just have to know, you know? Maybe, yeah. So, indent rainbow for the win. Okay, and remember, just copy and paste that and put it inside of the marketplace like this. And look, it should show up there. All right, so number 3, one of my favorite plugins to actually use. Let's go see if I can find one. CodeSnap. So CodeSnap is a really good one too. Now, if you don't have Clip, CodeSnap allows you to actually take screenshots of your code. And it does this in such a great way. Yeah, honestly, the screenshotting with CodeSnap is very clean. So CodeSnap as well is a really good plugin that I use. And all of these are completely free. So I'm going to copy the extension ID. And I'm going to give that to you guys. Here we go. Alrighty. Let's see what else we have. Colorful comments. Improve and enhance your code and make it attractive by adding colorful comments. This is good. This allows you to actually color your comments. Without colorful comments, you won't be able to actually specifically colorize your comments. They will all just be gray. So maybe you could prioritize more serious things with like red or green. So yeah, colorful comments are good too. I'm gonna link this to you guys as well. Let's see what else. Yeah, so I'm gonna aim this stream to just give out as much information as I can to beginners or anyone who's starting out to code, or even professionals, you know. These are the things that I use. You know, you guys don't have to use it, but these are things that I use. Let's see. Let me put this compressor here. Make it a little bit. There we go. All right, so the next thing on my list, we're gonna ignore themes right now. Now, this is if you work with Rust crates. This helps Rust developers manage dependencies with cargo, you know, TOML files. And it only works with dependencies and stuff, but it really helps you with like managing dependencies. So long story short, it just helps you managing dependencies. It's really great. I use it sometimes, even though I don't really use Rust that much. It's great. Now, you guys don't have to download all of these, but, you know, find something that you may like, oh shit, you know, he's using this, or, you know, I could see myself using that. Skip these themes. All right, I'm going to go look for another useful one. Docker. So Docker is, if you guys don't know what Docker is, Docker allows you to, you know, it deals with containers and stuff, and having this is crucial if you're working with containers. If not, you don't need this. It's not needed. If you're really beginning with code, you don't really need to have Docker installed on your computer, period. And I'm going to give you guys a tip right now. Docker is very like CPU intensive. It will eat up a lot of your, you know, cores on your PC. And yeah, so do not install Docker if you have like a really, you know, low-end PC or a laptop. Yeah, but I'm gonna link it here anyway for the people who do use Docker. We have Docker Explorer. We're gonna link that too. Docker linter. So this just lints Perl, Python, or Ruby in your Docker containers. I have it just because I code in Python, and Python is very useful. So I'm gonna link this to you guys. It's a linter pretty much. What else here? Oh, this theme. If you guys want to know all the themes, we're gonna get to themes, but this is, I use these themes a lot. If you guys want to be, you know, have that Genesis GURS swag, you know, Studio Code swag, Doki themes are a way to go. I'm just gonna link that now. So it's that good. The themes are that good. Trust. Alright. We're gonna skip themes right now. So right now we're going to look for the most important. All right, emoji. So I know this is not that useful, right? But if you want to put emojis inside of your code, if you want to have that functionality, you would do so with this this plugin here. So there you go. Yeah, I'm just going to give you guys a bunch of extensions that I use. Hopefully it helps out. Emoji log. So what emoji log does, well, let's see what it does. I have it installed. Recorder. Well, okay, I don't know why I have this on here, so we're just gonna, this one. This is really important. Air lens. So if you're a beginner, having air lens is a great way to actually, hello, I don't know why I'm here at 4 in the morning. Oh, who is this? Oh, it's Poflo. Oh, hi, Poflo. We're just, I'm just sharing all of my extensions that I use in Visual Studio Code. So if you guys want to go download them, you can. I'm giving away all my secrets right now. I have way more secrets, but yeah. But good morning. We can't be too loud right now. Yeah, so air lens. Super good. What does this do? This will improve highlighting of errors and exceptions in your code. This will spot errors in your code, and it'll highlight it right there. So, super useful. Okay. Yeah, let's go ahead and copy and paste. Oops, I copied the wrong thing. Copy extension ID. So if you guys want to download all these extensions that I'm putting down, just go to Visual Studio Code, go to the extensions tab, and bloop, put it in there. And as you can see, it shows up right there. And then you just obviously download it from there. Okay, let's go back to AirLens. Okay, ESLint. I'm not really sure what this does, so we're gonna skip this, but I do have it. Okay. Execution exe runner. This actually allows you to run exe files directly from Visual Studio Code. I am telling you guys, this is very helpful. Sometimes when I want to test executables, I'll use this plugin. There you go. F-string converter for Python 3.6. This extension converts Python string to F-string, vice versa, based on the presence of dot. So this will automatically convert things to F-strings for you. So you don't have to put the F there, you know what I mean? It will automatically detect an F-string, so it'll just do it for you. It's a huge time saver, so... let's see what else I got here. Git graph. Okay. Oh, I got you. We're gonna get to that. That's actually probably my most, believe it or not, that is probably my most like requested extension. You guys want the stuff that makes your VS Code look so cool, and understandably so, because I mean, look at my background. It's sexy, it's awesome, it's cool. I mean, you guys want to have that too. I got you. The next one, I think we're almost there. They're around the V's. Stick around long enough and you'll get the sauce. Git graph. You're able to see your commits from Visual Studio Code, so that's good. You know, you don't have to go to GitHub, or you don't have to go to GitHub desktop to see all your commits. You can actually see them all via your file editor. And as you guys know what commits are. So you guys know when you save your code and you write your commits, and when you upload them to GitHub, and this allows you to see all of your commits inside of Visual Studio Code. If that makes sense, right? Next one, Git Project Manager. This allows you to actually manage your Git files from, again, within Visual Studio Code. And good morning, Mr. Poflo. My girlfriend's asleep right now. Ooh, what do we have here? GitHub Copilot. Oh god, the forbidden GitHub Copilot. Oh man. If you guys don't know what GitHub Copilot is, it is a artificial intelligence that automatically suggests code for you. It is abused by a lot of programmers, but it's used by a lot of programmers who do know what they're doing. There's nothing wrong with using GitHub Copilot, but it can be abused. As you guys can see on the bottom, it suggests you code. See how it's just giving him like code that he should put down? That's what GitHub Copilot is. Now, this does have a subscription. You do have to pay. But there is a free trial for 30 days. Skipping the themes. What about this one? Alright, so we have GitHub pull requests and issues. This extension allows you to review, manage GitHub pull requests from within Visual Studio Code. So, do you guys know when you go to your GitHub and someone, yeah, who knows, maybe you just knew I was streaming. You have psychic powers, man, I swear. So what this extension does, it allows you to accept or approve of pull requests from Visual Studio Code. So you don't have to do it from here. Because you know sometimes when you get pull requests here, and they show up here, and you have to be like, oh, okay, this looks good, I approve of it. Yeah, merge it with the main. You can actually do that from here. You don't have to go to GitHub. So there's that. Yep, we're on YouTube right now. From now on, you know, we're going to stream on YouTube and Twitch from now on. And this is actually being saved. We are on YouTube, my friend. We are on YouTube finally. Okay, next. GitHub Repository Manager. Easily and quickly clone and access GitHub repositories and create new ones. This is a really, guys, this is serious. This one allows you to create new repositories and clone repositories from your GitHub from Visual Studio Code. As you can see, look, she's putting private. You can make a private repository or a public one. Right? And then she's cloning a repository. Well, it looks like she's logging in. She's going into her GitHub now. You do have to authorize it, of course. Here you go. Don't worry, Poflo. We're going to get to the transparent one soon. All right. Git ignore. A must-have. I'm not going to explain on it too much. Now, the one that everyone's been asking me for. It's almost here, right? Git length, we can skip that. Glassit VSC. VS Code extensions to set window to transparent on Windows and Linux platforms. You have to be on Windows and Linux. This is the extension I use to make my VS Code transparent. Now, how do you make your VS Code transparent? When you first install it, your VS Code is going to look like this. If you're on Windows, hold Control, Alt, and click Z as many times. 1, 2, 3. And you can make it transparent. Look how transparent you can actually make it. Yeah, and as you guys can see my wallpaper, you can make it really transparent. And then you press Control, Alt, C. Those are the shortcuts. I'm holding Control and Alt and I'm clicking C. And it gets more transparent. You see that? Less transparent. I usually just press Control Alt Z 3 times. Remember, you have to hold Control and Alt, and then you have to click Z. You don't click Control Alt Z all at once, if that makes sense. All right, let's go on to the next one. Google Translate. We have Google Translate here. This translate your code using Google Translate application programming interfaces. So this will actually translate your entire code into a completely different language, into Chinese, Indian, whatever. I've never used it before, but you know, it's very useful. Hello, YouTube people. We love you. I'm Poflo the cat dog. Meow, meow. Woof, woof. Yep. And I am Genesis Grr. We're really chill over here. Let's see. Themes. We're going to skip themes. I'll do a completely different stream for themes. Okay. HTML CSS support plugin. This right here gives you support for HTML and CSS within Visual Studio Code. That's a theme. Indent Rainbow, I think I already talked about that. Have you guys ever noticed that in my code I have some rainbow looking ass things, like rainbow indents? That's because of this plugin. I'm going to link it again, just in case someone has missed it. This is how I have rainbow colors inside of my Visual Studio Code. And they're not just there for fun. They're there to actually identify if you're indenting correctly. IntelliCode actually allows you to easily access code examples from APIs. JavaScript code snippets. Code snippets for JavaScript. I have this as well. JavaScript and TypeScript nightly. This extension enables the nightly build of TypeScript as VS Code built-in TypeScript version used to power JavaScript and TypeScript IntelliSense. So this just gives you more, lets you use nightly TypeScript. Let's see. Now, I don't ever use Kubernetes. I don't ever use Kubernetes. So, but I do have it. Develop and deploy debug Kubernetes applications. Language support for Java TM by Red Hat. That's a theme, that's a theme. Okay. This stuff is important. These next two are what I actually use to actually collaborate with people on code. So, I don't know if you guys saw in the last stream, I don't think the last stream I collaborated with anyone yet, but the people on Twitch know that sometimes I'll invite my girlfriend, Mrs. Genesis, to come into my sessions and work on code with me. This is the extension that I actually use. It's called LiveShare. Visual Studio LiveShare enables you to collaboratively edit and debug with others in real time, regardless what programming languages you are using or apps types you're building. It allows you to instantly and securely share your current project. So yeah, LiveShare. I need to charge my phone. Live server allows you to launch a development local server with live and reload feature for static and dynamic pages. I have this. Magic Python. As you guys know, I write in Python, so Magic Python does a lot of cool shit. It allows you to pretty much it does a lot with syntax highlighting, and it works with Python 2 and Python 3. It's very useful. As you can see, it highlights things differently. It'll highlight some stuff like functions and stuff like that. We have some Markdown preview, GitHub styling. I have this. That's this here. Markdown preview, GitHub styling. Next on the list, we have Markdown lint. And this is just Markdown linting and style checking for Visual Studio Code. I find myself, I haven't used this, I don't know. But I have it downloaded, so Live on YouTube? Yeah. I will actually upload this on YouTube. This is actually live on YouTube right now. You actually see the last live stream we did? It's actually right here, you see? Yep, we're saving all of the streams. They're all saving, and the current one that we're doing right now is uploading to YouTube currently. So hopefully that answers your awesome question, Mr. Poflo. So don't worry, you don't have to always feel like you have to be here. You can get some sleep, and then you can come back and be like, oh wow, you know, watch the stream if you missed something. That's the great part about YouTube. You can't do that on Twitch. So that's kind of the reason why I made like a, what's it called? A YouTube, you know what I mean? But going down the road, this stream isn't going to be very long. After I'm done talking about these extensions, I'm going to end stream. Next on the list, we have material design icon, SVG snippets. I'm going to be very honest with you guys. I don't know what the hell this is. I have it downloaded. So, but there you go. We're going to skip themes again. Neon scroll bar. Now, if you want to have a neon scroll bar, I used to have this. I thought it looked ugly. I don't even think it works, to be honest. Look, I have it enabled and it's not even, my scroll bar is like, it doesn't, yeah, it doesn't work. So I'm gonna uninstall this. It doesn't work. Neon glow theme. Dark neon theme. Oh, this is a theme. NPM. So this extension has been depreciated, so it's no longer being maintained, and it's by Microsoft. But I think you can still download it. You guys see if it still works. And if you guys don't know what NPM is, NPM stands for Node Package Manager. And this is more so in the sense of Java. So if you work in Java, you would be using this a lot. And I'm going to link this too. Oh no, everything that I'm typing right now is actually being saved onto the live chat relay. Yeah, so no, they'll you guys will be able to go back and actually see everything. Next, we have Oracle developer tools for Visual Studio Code, SQL and PLSQL. So this is for people who, you know, are in Oracle and mess with SQL databases and everything like that. Yeah, that's the great part. That's why I love YouTube. So when you guys rewatch the video, all these messages that we're sending right now will pop up at the same time that we're actually talking right now. Cool, right? Okay, we're almost done. Platform IO IDE. What is this? It's a professional development environment for embedded Adreno and all that. So if you guys mess with Adreno stuff, you know, with actual physical microchips and stuff like that, I haven't yet. This is great for that. You know, it's open source, it's cross-platform. I'm going to link this for you, for all of you. Let's see. Power mode. This is kind of dumb in my honest opinion. This is all it does. When you type code, it just gives you this little effect here. I don't use this. I found it very annoying. I'm actually gonna uninstall it. But if you guys want it, Here it is. It's called power mode. PowerShell. Next on the list, we have the PowerShell extension. This extension allows you to actually develop PowerShell modules, commands, and scripts inside of Visual Studio Code. Prettier. So this is a formatter. This will format your code to look nicer. I've tried it with no avail. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work, for me at least. But this just formats your code to look nice and pretty. Yeah. Prettier code formatter. And all the ones that I'm giving you guys right now are the ones that I have installed. Highlands. It's okay if you don't know English. Who knows, maybe there's someone on YouTube who will watch and maybe they don't know English as well, right? So don't feel bad about that, you know? Don't feel bad about that, Povlo. Está bien. Tu inglés es muy bueno. Mi español no es bueno. Highlands. I don't have to explain this. This is just you just need to have this if you're gonna program in Python. Obviously. This too. So if you guys want to know everything that I'm doing, you would go like this. Copy it, and then go here and paste in your Visual Studio Code. Gotta have that. That's important. Extension pack. I mean, I am plugging you guys in with the extensions today. Make sure to drop that follow. You know what I mean? All right, let's see what else. Python indent. Now, this is really important too. This helps you conveniently indent correctly in Python. You know, so this is really useful. It's called Python indent. And indenting is just when you just tab. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. In Python, there is 4 spaces for one single indent. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you want to indent again, 1, 2, 3, 4. You see this? You see this? You see these rainbow colors? You see this light and stuff? These are 2 different plugins. The rainbow is the rainbow indent. The light trail is another extension that I'm going to give to you guys. You see this little glowy light trail? We're gonna get to that. Yeah, rainbow highlighter. So, rainbow highlighter, highlight multiple variables you select with multiple colors. So, here's an example. You see how he's highlighting... Hold on, let me zoom in. Excuse me. Do you see how he's highlighting message and message list? You see how these are both green and then all the messages are all pink? That's what it does. Okay. So I'm going to link that to you. There you go. Rainbow highlighter. We're gonna skip icons too. I don't really honestly use this. I don't know why, but I'm going to link it here. It seems as if open any folder on a remote machine using secure shell. Yeah. We've connected to your host. This is what I have as well. If I don't know what something does, I'll explain it to you guys, okay? Again, I don't know what this does. I have it, but sometimes I download shit that I shouldn't have. Remote Explorer. Don't know what that does. Ruby. If you actually code in Ruby, which is a really awesome language to learn, this allows you to enhance the Ruby language and debug support for Visual Studio Code and debugging. So it's good for enhancing the Ruby language and debugging. Rust Doc Viewer. Now, if you guys know the language of Rust, you can actually view documents of Rust from within Visual Studio Code, which is really cool. As you can see, look, you can see all the documentation files. Muy bueno. Muy bien. Continue. Rust Flash Snippets. A comprehensive set of Rust snippets for everyone. Rust Mod Generator. This extension is enabled globally. I don't know what it does. Rust Playground. I've never used it, but I downloaded it because I knew that I was going to mess with Rust. I will eventually know what this stuff does. I just don't tinker with it. Things that I don't tinker with, I don't have any idea what they do. But you can ask anybody who knows me very well. It takes me not that long to actually get an understanding of something. And once I do, yeah, Rust syntax, improved Rust syntax and highlighting. Okay, we're almost to the end. Rust targets. It seems as if I'm really interested in Rust. Okay, we can... Spectrogram. This is really cool. I think everyone should have this on their Visual Studio Code. This allows you to actually... what's it called? View the spectrogram of wave files. So you can see how an audio file looks like, if it looks healthy or not, if it's clipping. You know, you don't want to put sounds inside of your program that are clipping and are distorted. Hablo español. Yeah, you can speak Spanish too. You don't have to be, you know, feel bad about that. P.S. Hablo español. P.S. Mi español es muy malo. Spotify themes, SQL bindings. This enables users to develop and publish Azure functions and Azure SQL bindings. I'm gonna be very honest with you guys. I've never personally used it, so I don't know what the fuck it does. But it's there, you know? It's there. Next. We're just gonna copy and paste the ones that I don't know. Tres tigres tragando trigo, el tigre que triste. Yeah, Poflo has better English than I do. I mean, both actually, English and Spanish. Start Git Bash. Oh, this one's really cool. I know what this one does. This allows you to to run Git Bash commands from Visual Studio Code. That's cool. I need to use that more often. Syntax highlighter. Syntax highlighting based on tree sitter. Let's see what it does. Oh, so it just highlights syntax for you. Yeah, it does sound like a tongue twister, I'm not gonna lie. I have to charge my phone. Okay, here we go. Now, I am going to say this on stream. I will be doing exclusive streams for Twitch viewers and exclusive streams for YouTube viewers. So maybe I might go stream on Twitch exclusively and I won't stream on YouTube. And sometimes I'll stream on YouTube and not stream on Twitch. So make sure to follow me on Twitter so you can see when I'm live. And sometimes I'll play video games, you know? Maybe I'll just be playing a video game, who knows? But all of my coding streams will be both on Twitch and YouTube. Okay. ¿Me entiendes? ¿Me entiendes, amigos? Okay. I hope so. Porque si no me entiendes, voy a ser muy tristes. Okay. Vibrancy continued. This is cool. Have you guys ever went to one of my streams and saw that some of my code was glowing? Yeah, it's because of this. If you see that my code is glowing, it's because of vibrancy. Continued. So if you want glowing words, sexy glowing words, there you go. Vibrancy continued will do that for you. I think they have examples, do they not? Oh yeah, here's some of the examples they have. It makes your code look really cool. Like, look. I think I can zoom in. Yeah. The quality's terrible in that photo, but oh, let's see. What do you say? LOL, Minecraft, or I don't know, Eve on live one day. I don't know. To be honest, I'll be honest with you, Poflo, like playing Minecraft, it's meh. It's meant for me. I mean, I'll play it. I was thinking of playing some Grand Theft Auto RP on stream, like playing some Grand Theft Auto, like role playing. GIT 5, but I don't know. We'll see. All right, continuing on with this. VS Code, no, that's not important. Okay, this is cool. Wallpaper setting. Now, this has nothing to do with this. This is actually another program called, let me show you. Go to library. This wallpaper engine. This costs $4. So if you guys want to have wallpapers like me, you're actually going to have to buy wallpaper engine. If you want to have wallpaper, sexy anime girl wallpapers, I guess, waifu wallpapers, whatever you call it, you need this. But this wallpaper setting, this lets, it'll look bad. I don't even know why I have this on here. I'm going to uninstall. Holy crap, that background. I know, right? As you guys get to know me, I have a lot of anime wallpapers. I don't know why you're acting surprised, Poflo. When you first met you, this was the wallpaper that I first had. He said, what? He said, wait, what the WTF? You are talking. Yeah, of course. Yo, what's up? Yeah, so I'm just giving all of the VS Code sauce that I have. I'm giving you guys all my extensions, all of my secrets right now that I personally use, you know? Let's continue. But welcome to the stream. I'm Genesis. I'm on Twitch and I'm on YouTube right now. You weren't talking? Oh yeah, because I was really sick. I had like a throat infection. It really sucked. I think I had COVID or something. But hey, we're good now. We're trucking along now. I'm gonna try to keep my mic on. Yeah. She's sleeping right now. Yeah. Exactly. She's actually asleep right now. That's Mrs. Genesis, actually. Yeah, but how are you, man? What's up? We can wait. You know, this stream can be really long. It doesn't matter. What's up? Oh, yeah, hold on. Oh, it's Ash. Oh, yeah, I remember you. It's so hard to see with all these colors. They have you on really dark red. Oh, you just got your mic in? Yo, that's what's up, dude. We're actually streaming on YouTube and Twitch right now. You know, because I feel like if we just stream this on Twitch, it's just gonna go to the void, you know? Oh, and that's Poflo. He's really cool, really chill guy, by the way. But yeah, all we're doing right now is giving out all the extensions that I use, technically. Like my streams into the void. Nah, don't say that. But yeah, so what else do I use? We're gonna skip all the themes for now. We're not gonna focus on themes or icons. Though, even though this wobbly theme is actually pretty goated, so I am gonna give this to you guys. It's so cute. So I'm gonna give that to you guys. It's silly. And if you guys have Visual Studio Code, you should know how to actually put these inside of the marketplace. Just copy what I'm putting here and put it right in there. Yeah, but welcome everyone. I'm gonna be streaming every day, so if you guys feel like you need to talk about code or something, I'm here. YAML. I'll give this away. I don't know what it does, but if anybody works with it, there you go. Yeah, I don't know why that is. It could be that I think at the time when you were trying to see, I was really sick. Ash, I was like, you can even ask Poflo. I was sick with like a virus, the flu. It was most likely the flu, but I feel way better now. Okay, Poflo, take your time. Yeah, Mrs. Genesis is asleep right now. We big chillin', boys. Yeah, it sucked. Yeah, I took some medicine. I took like penicillin. I took daytime and nighttime medicine, and it just cleared it right up. And plenty of rest. Oh, then you're gonna love my streams. We're always like working together and talking on stream and all that stuff. Yeah, my voice probably sounds different now. I sounded like this before. My voice was really, like, bad. But now it's better. Let's see. Code spell checker. Yeah. Yeah, dude, it's not fun being sick at all. It really sucks. Airlines, I already gave that out, and I think that's the end. Dude, the timing that you have, Ash, I swear to God, you came exactly when we were about to end stream. I want a VTuber girlfriend to stream with, but I'm unlucky. My girlfriend isn't a VTuber, but she is a programmer. Dude, how lucky am I? My girlfriend's a programmer too. I'm teaching her how to program, but she's really interested in programming, you know? Which is really awesome. The fact that she's into that. When I'm sick, I feel like crap. Yeah, but today's a different day, guys. We're all feeling good. And when I stream again, once this stream ends, I'll make another one. I don't know when, but I'll definitely make another one. And for the last one, Tabine AI. If you guys don't want to spend money on GitHub Copilot, I got you. GitHub Copilot's like $15. Tabine does the same shit. Really. Oh, you want a girlfriend who streams? Yeah, my girlfriend doesn't stream either, but dude, honestly, if my girlfriend streamed, I would be really jealous. I'm a jealous type of boyfriend, if that makes sense. She's the jealous type too, though. My girlfriend gets jealous, like, if I talk to other girls and stuff, which I won't, but... Yeah, bro, you gotta get on that Python grind, man. You gotta start coding more. What are you doing, Ash? You gotta get in the lab and cook up. All right, so I think that's it, and then the final one is vibrancy. This project is actively not maintained. All right, so I think I can uninstall this. That's just depreciated. All right, so this is what we're gonna do. We are going to end this stream, and then I'm gonna start one up exactly like 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Give me 15 minutes. When I come back, I'll actually go through all the themes that I use. And then from there, we'll just, I don't know, play some League of Legends on stream, not record anything. Something like that. How's that sound? All right, but hopefully that helps everybody. Did I forget this one? .NET tool for extension authors. All right, so if you are a .NET user or whatever, use this. I find myself using this sometimes. All right, sounds good. Let's see if I missed anything else. Oh my god, I have so many themes to share with you guys, like these sexy themes here, alien blood. We'll go through all of that. 2-star. Is it really? Oh my god, so but those are the good ones though. The ones that have like 2 stars are the good ones. I'm capping. We're uninstalling this. I probably don't even use that. See, that's the thing. I can't uninstall this extension. It doesn't let me. Yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm out. This is Genesis Gur. We are live on YouTube right now. I just started a YouTube channel, like, I think a day ago, and all of our streams are going to be up there. I want to thank everyone who's been watching, anyone who's following me, and if you guys can get past my sexy anime wallpapers, fuck it. If we get banned on Twitch, YouTube is a little bit more lenient. But yeah, we out. I'll catch you guys later, alright? Thanks, man. I appreciate it.